come eat brunch with me. It's about 11 o'clock and I have not eaten yet today. I'm really hungry. But today is diet cheat day, so I got a really high calorie breakfast. It is a good source of protein though. I got the peanut butter protein crunch protein bowl from Taco Smoothie Cafe. It has about 32 grams of protein, but it is, like I said, really high in calories. So on a day where I'm not doing a diet cheat day, I would get this, but I would make sure that the rest of the day I eat really low calorie foods. So let's try it together. Look at how beautiful that is. Oh, it just looks so good. Yogurt, peanut butter, granola, bananas. It has these cocoa nibs. I took off the almond because I hate almonds. It just looks so beautiful. A little bit of everything. And a piece of banana. Lovely. Delicious.